Let's do today something nice, chill and easy, dull makeup, maybe without using too much black, just really light with pink, purple, blue color, something really nice. Okay, get started. I hope you're ready. And my favorite palette will help us with this again. And we will go around these colors. By first step, I'm applying my eyeshadow base. This one from Essence, I can tell is kinda nice quality and the price around €7 if I remember correct. My eyeshadow stay all to show, plus it's give a little bit more color. But my suggestion, if you want really bright color, choose the white base. I apply base all around my eyes, also my under eye area. I also cover with this because I won't go there with blending. This color is soft light pink. What? It's kinda creepy. I leave alone. Nice. Okay, let's start better with white. I will apply this my inner angle and of course under the brow area, and will a little bit blending out it. And I can say this trick with white inner angle and underbrow area will make any your makeup looks better. Of course there's like special makeup and this area in color or even black, but in general it's supposed to be white. And we took our build brush or any your comfortable brush to pick up the shadow, and I'm starting with my soft pink. Yeah, it's hard to see from the screen, but in general I'm making this like another base for other colors for better blending. And then I go with a little bit more hot pink. You can see I'm still do blending, but not that carefully, just to add some color. And after we go with more deep hot pink and even a little bit purple. I make sharp angle outside with deep purple, pink, maybe like fuchsia color. If you pick up the right color, it will be super easy to blend together. And here under the eye, I decide to go with a blue purple or something like this. In camera it looks like more purple, and I'm really like how it looks like. It's something like sunset color again, but more deep night, I guess. But still, as you can see, it's not too dark makeup. And I'm carefully blending this purple outside and a little bit to my inner eye angle. And now I'm just going with clean brush around all color to mix them together. Also I add a little bit more purple because I really like how it looks like, but only on angle, because I still want to save this pink in the middle. I'm carefully go blending this with white. Don't forget to clean your brush often as you can, especially when you're blending. This way you will have nice coloring. And here I decide to add a little bit yellow, and look how more fresh this makeup looks like. And actually my makeup started to remind me my cabin right now. Oh guys, there's a surprise. I decided to add a little bit more orange in area upper than pink, and blending, mixing them between each other very well, because this color kind of similar, so it's really easy to do. So yeah, choose the right color, it's your guarantee to nice blending. Oh, from this angle you can see there's a little bit blue. I made it only on the middle, so my dark purple become blue. And now I'm cleaning my brush again to mix it together with white. You can see how carefully I'm going in this area, because I'm still want to save this white area on top. Just my friends visit me, and I guess with this kind of light and this kind of suit, hard to expect anything from me, yeah? I'm half in pajama doing my makeup. And okay, right now we're doing with eyeliner. I decided to go with really sharp and long black eyeliner today. I like it. Don't take too many products on your brush if you use the same as my Screamy eyeliner from Maybelline. In my another video you can see more review on this product. Actually I'm really like it, so I already bought another one, because sometimes it's really hard to find nice eyeliner. Oh yeah, we're almost there. And right now turn for black eyeshadow. I'm using my build brush and apply just a little bit, not too much, on my eye angle, and blending is with deep purple without going in pink. And now is surprise, white paint for face. Is there any idea why I did it? But come on, I'm not only one, I'm sure. Okay, I need to take enough white, and I want to add tiny white line upper than my eyelid. Start just with sketch, really tiny, easy one. Don't press too hard on your brush and don't take extra product. As I already told, it's supposed to be like a sketch, and after you just layer by layer apply more white. Another way you can just ruin your makeup and this will be really complicated to fix. So yeah, I took a risk and decided to add this line. And I like how it looks. So I go on top and then under my eyeliner. Yeah, here you can see. I like it. Because actually just before this I was thinking like, again, shitty makeup. And right now mission to do the same on my other eye. But I believe we can. It's actually line following our natural line, so it will be not that complicated to make. In inner eye angle we also add some white, so we become some mystic, like fairy, something really cute. I don't know, I actually don't know how to call it, but definitely it's something what you can use for Halloween, for show, for your ballroom competition, for fashion photo shoot, and actually for what else you can use this makeup. Always welcome. You can see how this refreshed the full makeup. I went a little bit more under my eye. And right now I'm carefully fixing this always white pigment. I pick up the shiny one, but you can choose the matte one. I just didn't find mine. Yeah, that's happened to me sometimes. I didn't have the same tiny brush, so I did with bigger. Whew, I did it. That was kind of stressful. And I decided to add some stones, really small one, but it's complicated to open this, of course is it. By the way, you can use your palette to hold your stones, and this will be easier to pick up them from there. My size is SS 5, I guess, and of course I drop more, I will be fine. For apply stones on my face, I'm use eyelash glue, and this helping to hold the stones all the evening. Also, it's easy to remove and don't cause allergy. A little bit more shine, and now turn for eyelashes. I'm usually apply glue and let it dry for 20-30 seconds for sure. In that way it will be stick on your eye really easy. And my favorite, I go with normal eyelash and add a little bit on down. And now I'm thinking about lips and something add more shiny. And yeah, my pajama pants here and my socks. Amazing one. Yeah, I'm never bored. Okay, it's time for our hair gel. Yeah, I'm using this to apply shiny parts. And I'll glitter on my face. I'm using this with brush, sometimes I'm doing with my hands. It depends on area where I want to my glitter on. Today I will add some stars, just a little bit like cute style, I guess. I decided to mix a little bit more glitter, so I want this area really shiny, but not too extra. And look how cute we are. You can tag me in your Instagram and show me your results. For lips, I decided to go with a nude color lipstick from Maybelline and a little bit add on top pink eyeshadow, so it's become not that nude color. And then my idea was a little bit pink eyeshadow on my cheeks too. And well, here we are. Really remind me some fairy tale, I guess. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, follow me for more. I really appreciate your comments below which color you want me to use more. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget tag me in IG if you like it.